How to connect Crunchyroll to Amazon Prime. I'm going to tell you how to connect your Crunchyroll account to your Amazon Prime. First, if you don't have a Crunchyroll account yet, just register one through Amazon. So you can just search for that and follow through the prompts. But if you already have an existing Crunchyroll account that you subscribe directly, you are not going to be able to access that within Prime Video on the Crunchyroll Prime Video channel. By comparison, if you subscribe to Crunchyroll on the Prime Video channel, you won't be able to access that subscription on Crunchyroll's app. You'll need to either download the Crunchyroll app for your specific device, or if you prefer to access Crunchyroll from within Prime Video, you would need to cancel your current Crunchyroll subscription and sign up within Prime Video instead.